Ọwọ́ àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti tẹ dírẹ́bà tí ó pa ọ̀gá tí ó ti bá ṣiṣẹ́ rí àti ìyàwó rẹ̀ tí ọ̀gá rẹ̀ ń ṣe ẹni 80 ọdún ìyẹn 80 years old. Ó pa òun àti ìyàwó rẹ̀ mọ́ inú ilé.
What's your name?
Jonathan.
Huh?
Jonathan.
Jonathan who?
Jonathan Marcus.
Huh?
Jonathan Marcus.
Marcus, where are you from?
I'm from Meduguri.
Meduguri?
Yeah.
So what brought you to Abuja?
I'm a mechanical engineering.
A graduate or?
Mechanical engineering.
Are you a graduate?
Secondary level.
Secondary level and you're yourself an engineer. So what brought you here?
I commit a crime.
What type of crime did you commit?
I kill husband and wife.
What happened that you killed them?
Because of what they did to me.
Huh?
Because of what they did.
What did they do to you?
I am a mechanic. Now me they repair the husband and the wife motor. Suddenly the husband can't deceive me. I should drive him. I dey drive him. No be say I dey collect salary. I just dey help him. For that helping, that is how my work can affect it. Me and him we come out. We go there for hotel. Customers will be calling me. No way to come back. We go come out around 12. Before we come back around 3:30 to 4. When we come back, you go carry 2,000, 2,500, big money, 5,000 give me. I mean, I am a married man. I get picking, I dey pay house rent. I get many expenses on my head. I complain to this man. This man say God dey, God will take control. One day I leave this man. I know they help him for over 1 month. The man send message for me, say that I am very wicked. I can't call and respond to him. Say whether I don't steal from him or I don't carry something for his house or for his wife. He said no, but I know the condition where he dey. Why I know the Greek one. I say carry driver. He said no, not be every time he come out. But if it is me, it's only me he like to be carrying him because now me they keep in secret. We dey always run about hotel by hotel. He know. Me I did not go the house to kill the wife. It's because say the wife is around. If not, nothing the wife do me. The wife never do me anything. I did not kill the man because of money.
What did you kill because of?
Because of scattering my work. Because of what he do. Over 10 years. I am not his driver. I am just helping him. He never pay me. He never helped me for one day. Say, see this 50,000 text solve your problem. He never.
So how do you feed your family?
Through my mechanic engineering work.
Enough in your own estimation to kill him?
So,
Was that enough?
no frustration.
Young man, please, I want to understand. Someone called you that you should come and work for him. People do not bargain price. Was the work for free or you agree that he will be paying you monthly?
We did not bargain anything, me and him.
You affect your work?
Me, I did not know because he said once in a week if I am free. And sometimes if I am not free, I used to tell him.
How did you assess the house and how did you?
They know me very well.
Yes.
The more I call my name, says Jonathan, they can open the door for me.
Only
No,
2 of them living there.
with house help, but the house help no day.
It's okay.
Yeah,
So how did you kill them?
I use knife.
How? You just describe it.
I use knife kill them.
Stab? Did you stab them on their stomach?
I did not stab
How did you
anybody.
So after that, what did you do?
I went out. I locked the door. I carried daddy key, locked the door, throw away
Carry
the
anything
key.
in the house?
It's only daddy phone with wallet.
What about the ATM card?
It's in the wallet.
Did you remove the money?
I did not withdraw the money. I tried to withdraw the money. It's not green. It's showing error. I tried to because of the money he promised, and that one,
What did you
that,
buy on Jumia?
speaker.
Trust. Have a case of murder and
Theft.
You said the wife did not offend you, so why did you not kill the wife?
Because she's aware, and I know if you
want to
do
cover the
anything.
crime, right?
Yes.
it's okay. So you're a criminal then.